Good. So recording should surely be in progress. Okay, are you with me?
Yes, Prof.
Okay, so if I want to run everything without going through the long process, I highlight everything. Now, when you highlight everything, just look here. My environment is empty. Everything is dry. I don't want to go run. So you click on source. Can you all see the source? So I click on source. Of course, when you click on source, because there was a view section, the data opens. And that is what I've been trying to avoid. The data opens. So close the data set. Let's go to where the data open. Where here? I think it's open somewhere here. And then I will run everything again. Any question, anything from what we learned last week? Any question, anything, any point of clarification? Bugari, any question? Because Betty, any question? Jifa, any question? Bridget, any question?
Prof.
Yes, boss.
Please, the challenge I have is the activity that you give us to try our hands.
Yes, I'll come back to it. So you tried, and then what happened?
I tried to, and then try to import the important stage that I try. And then when I click on the import, my system gave me some notice that install required packages prepared before I can be able to do the importation. And then the information it gave me was preparing data requires updated versions of the following packages. And then the packages they gave me was RED XL, and RCPP. So do you want to install this? I didn't understand, so I didn't click any further.
Oh, you should have just clicked on update. That is all that statement is trying to tell you is that you needed to update your you need an update of that particular software. So you should have just clicked on update and it will update it. It would have just updated it and off you go.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, Gloria, your hand is up.
Yes, Prof. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Gloria.
Please, I wanted to ask, in place of the hashtag, can you use another symbol? Because my machine, I've searched it, I'm not getting
it. In place of hashtag, can you use another symbol?
Yes, please.
Oh, the hashtag is always a thing we use. So, Gloria,
yes,
all that I'm going to do is that I'm going to send you copy and paste.
Yes, Prof.
So I'm going to send it to you. Where is Gloria? Gloria is here. I'm going to message you privately.
Yes, Prof.
And then you can copy and paste the hashtag that I have over there so that you are free.
Yes, Prof. Thank you, Prof.
Okay. Yep. Any other question, please?
Prof, yeah.
Yeah, Jermaine.
Yes, Prof. I couldn't finish with what you did last week. So the other time it was the recording that I used to finish up.
Okay.
But this time the recording wasn't there, so I couldn't finish.
Oh, but we sent the recording. So that's what Nipa was talking about.
Oh, okay. Maybe I was not online when Jifa talked.
Okay, so
Prof.
Yes,
Please,
if you have...
Simon worked on it and sent it to the fan page. So if you could check docs or links on the fan page, I'm sure you find it. Because this week we've had a lot of updates on it, so it might be far.
That's all right.
Or if Simon, you could kindly share it again. Thank you.
Okay. Emanuela, your hand is up.
Yes, Prof. So I was
Emanuela, please, is your hand up. Edit, your hand is up. Edit. Yes, please. I can hardly hear you.
Yes, so sorry, please can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, you are off.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, Mademoiselle.
Good afternoon. Please, this is Edith.
Yes,
So
Edith.
my concern is regarding the machine I'm using to do the program. As I said last time, I'm using iPad to do the program. And
Yes.
I realized the last time I got stuck where you asked us to do the importation and then run it, and I couldn't continue from there. So when the lectures were over, I was trying to go through and see whether I'll be able to do it. But when I save the document, I'm not able to find it from the root folder of the machine because I'm using POSIT Cloud to do it because I couldn't download it straight onto the machine. So I use POSIT Cloud. So
Okay,
yes, Prof.
okay, so it will be difficult for me to, because I don't know the machine properly.
The machine, yeah.
Yes. So if I knew the machine properly, I would have just helped you out. But that notwithstanding, we need to understand the machine. So it will be interesting if I can. You said you are using a cloud.
It's iPad, a cloud-based POSIT, yeah, iPad.
Okay. And you don't remember where you store it?
I saw today like this. The one you said we should do the Akuma. I saved it at documents, but when I go into the system to do the importation, nothing is showing for me. And then when I was asking, my husband is saying that I have to go to the root folder, and I don't even know where to find it on the machine. So yeah.
See, if we had a software, I could have easily helped. But once we don't have it, it becomes difficult. But all the same, just for the time being, let's see how it goes. I'm sure we'll find a way out.
Okay,
Maybe
cool.
getting to the latter part, we'll ask you to share and then we go. Now.
Okay, thank you, Prof.
You're welcome. Now, please listen. Edith, your hand is up.
No, it's the old one, Prof. I'll lower it.
Okay. Now, I gave you an assignment, true or false? I haven't forgotten all.
False.
Yes.
It's true.
Bridget, can you share copy your command and send it to me? Let me see what you did.
Oh, please, do you mean I should private message you with my command?
Yes, did you do it?
Yes, please, I did.
You did. So you can share when I ask you to share.
Okay.
Okay. So getting to the latter part of the end there, but I'll ask each and everybody to share with me all the progress, and we should even take the whole thing by email. Yes. Everybody must send, will create. Yes, I know once I say by email, somebody will raise their hand. So somebody has raised their hand. DH something something. Who is that?
Doc.
Yes.
This is you.
This who?
Eugene.
Eugene, the name you are using, if we are marking attendance, so how will we know?
Please, what name is showing? Because I normally use my name.
But this one is DHJ53BRNGF. Some plenty numbers. Yes,
Wow.
Eugene.
Yes. So I'll check that after my list. So about the assignment, when I was trying to import the data set, I realized that it's a CSV file and it was giving me an error. I don't know whether everybody had that challenge though, but I was having an error when I was trying to load it.
When you went through the manual approach?
Yes, I did the import data set and then
okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But I was able to sort myself out though, but I don't know whether others had it.
But yes, once
because the original file is a CVS.
Okay.
CSV.
Okay. Yeah. Read dots. It's just a matter of changing. It's a matter of just saying read dot CSV. Then it will move. So okay, Jiva, your hand is up.
Yes, Prof. I also was having the same challenge, but I don't know. I think I found it somewhere in the. I don't have my notes, so I've forgotten the name of that panel. The one. Hey, Chan is that one. I found it somewhere. Like Eugene said, I was able to find my way around it.
Yes,
so
but
initially it was the CSV something.
Yes, read dot CSV.
Yeah, so but I found my way around it anyway.
You see, so you read dot CSV, you can even read from Excel and it will change it automatically to read dot CSV. It's a way of going about it. Now let's do our basic thing. We started last week, and this week I'm going to just go about the descriptive statistics, right? We would continue from where we left off. Remember, the data is Atera. Remember, we're able to carve a data to see if you are older than this thing. If we want to find out if age is greater than this, and you are, somebody said you are a female or something, we can equally write a command and it will carve the data set for us. You remember that? Yes, Bridget, your hand is up.
Yes, Prof, thank you. Can I still continue from the one we ended last week, or I could create a new?
No, continue from the one we ended last week. In fact, I'm using the same file. That's why I put the dates there.
Okay.
Yes. In fact, we are going to build it. So before we leave this class, you see that you would have built almost 10,000 words of command.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Okay. So let's go over our simple data set. Most of the data we have, there might be a mixture of categorical and non-categorical. So a lot of time I'll be using the numeric data set, right? I'll be using a lot of the numeric data set to do most of the things. Now, let's start. Remember, if you want to look at the length of the data, you type in length. I think we did that last week. Did we use the length command?
Yes, Doc, we did.
We did the length command, right?
Yes, Prof.
Good. So the length Atera, it will tell you, hey, what is happening to my, so I don't know why it is not moving down, but let's see how hide icon. Okay. So again, I cannot, if you are done with looking at the length, let's say you want the minimum of a data set. You can type min, right? And then the minimum would, is it Atera? I want to see the minimum age. Did I get my age right? Atera, right? And then my age. I think my age. So what's the minimum age?
So if it's Atera, then I think the minimum age was 20 years.
20 years. Did you all get it? 20 years? What's happening here? Just hold on for me. Just hold on for me. Okay, so we know the minimum age, right?
Hello, Prof.
Today the devil has taken over. So
Hello, Prof.
Remember what I always do? I put my hashtag, finding the minimum age.
Hello, Prof.
Yes, please.
I'm sorry, please. I sent you a message by SMS, if you could kindly.
Yes, I saw an SMS for Papa. I thought it has been addressed. That's why I didn't take my time to read.
Oh, okay.
Let me see. I saw a next one. Okay, I've seen it.
Thank you.
Okay, so I've read it. The next one is maximum, right? And Terra. Now, please remember that you can find minimum, maximum, usually for continuous data. Terra maximum age. So you can go to the data and find continuous data. Is it okay? You can as well find the range of the data set. What is the range? What is the range, please? When we say range, what are we referring to? So the maximum is there, the minimum is there, the range is there. What is the range? Hello, what is the range?
Numbers in between the minimum and the maximum.
Yes. The range of the data, that is the difference between minimum and maximum. Now, the last time we did, we look at we can find the variance, which we call the var of the age, altera, age, which is the variance. Then we can find the standard deviation. Altera, age. This is the okay, so you have all this. Somebody has sent me a message. So you have the age, you have a variance which is there, and the standard deviation. What else again do we need? Now, these are all descriptive of the data. What is variance? What is standard deviation? What do they mean? I know, did you do quanti? Hello, please, did you do quantitative method?
Some of us.
No, no problem.
If you did quanti, you should know what age and variance is. I said variance and standard deviation is. Then the other thing is, I want to find the quintiles. Okay, so this is the quintiles. It just gives you the 0%, the 25th percentile, the 50th percentile, the 75th percentile, and then the 100th percentile. Right, you can find all this of the data set. What else again? Remember, what we are doing is just simple descriptive statistics. Any question? Then we can find what we call the interquartile range. Betty, what is interquartile range? If you are my student, I know I taught you this one.
50%.
Yes, Betty. Emanuela, what is interquartile range?
Prof, I'm thinking it's more of the I say 50% of the data, middle. So 50%, 100%, 150.
Okay.
Prof, did you hear me?
I didn't hear you, Betty. I thought you didn't want to say anything.
Please, this is Emanuela rather, not Betty.
Yes, Emanuela, yes.
Yes, so I was saying it's the spread of the middle of the
Okay.
data. So 25%, 50%, 75%, 100%.
In a way. Yes. I'm going to, in fact, I want us to do this. Later on, I'll send you a series of commands for you to run it. Now, let's assume that I am going to make it more complex a little. Let's assume that, right? I want to find something. What do I want to find? What do you think I want to find? Let's assume that I want to find the mean age, right? Or the standard deviation when age is less than maybe 50, right? I want to find the age if the members of the class is less than, maybe the data set is less than 50. What do I do? What we have to do is SD, maybe standard deviation. Then I put Altera there. What am I looking for? Age. Remember, we talked about the square bracket. Two of us, when I was doing the Bookary thing last week, yeah, you remember this?
Yes, Prof.
So what did I, age, we said age Altera. Oh, what did I do? Age Altera, let me, Altera, oh, Altera, age, we said age should be what? Less than 50, right? Less than 50. Let's see
Yes.
if it finds. Good. So age Altera, if age is less than 50, I am getting an error. Let me see. Okay, concept subset a column. Very good. So then, so standard deviation. Okay, I get it now. Altera age. Okay, I get it. Let me get a good data and then we can do this. So we got it now. What's a column? I cannot see the results down there, so it makes my life difficult. Okay. So forgive me if I'm not able to tell anything because today the machine has decided to give up on me. Okay, so
Yeah, about that.
So there's a lot of things I'm not able to see. So what else again can we do? I don't know why I cannot see this because it's strange. Oh, something here. What else again can we do? Any descriptive that you want us to do? Anything you want us to do, please tell me.
Coefficient of variation.
Coefficient of variation, we'll come and do that later, right? When I start with my regressions.
Oh, okay.
So let me do, so Gloria, don't worry at all.
Prof, please, initially it was in a square bracket. You've taken it out of the square bracket. I think I've lost from that place.
So kindly help me out, right? Has it run? But I cannot see the aftermath of the results. So is there something down there? It's run. Oh, okay.
It has run, but we know results in them.
Yeah. Hey, what is happening now? Yes, Gloria, you were saying something.
Initially, it was in a square bracket, but now I've seen that you're putting it back.
Yes, I'm putting it back.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yes. Please forgive me, right? I cannot see my results until, I don't know, for some strange reason. Maybe you people prayed against me seeing it. So, so today my life is in an autopilot mode. But can you see whatever I'm doing? When you run it, can you see your results? I cannot see my results. So, beautiful. So, ladies and gentlemen, what else do we want to do? What else again? Let's assume that we want to find a standard deviation. If the person is less than 50 years and the person is a male, how do we do that? Assuming that you have been commissioned by your department, the manager, and say, okay, I want you to find the deviation or the mean or the age, the average age of the individual. If they are male, and then they are less than, if they are male and less than maybe 50 years, how do we do that? Or equal to 50 years? So I say mean of what? I'm saying that go into Altera, look for age. Is everybody with me? But in the age, I want you to find Altera age. Let's equate the age to 50 years, right? Remember, it's double equal to 50. And how do we say end? This one. And Altera, go to the Altera, look for gender. And the gender must be equal to what? A male. Oh, I got it. So this is how you write that command. Any question?
Prof, please, I'll be grateful if you could help me again with the mean. I didn't really get it.
Please come again with your question.
Prof, please, I was talking about the last command. It looks quite bulky for me, and I'm unable to. Kindly help me.
So I want the mean. That's why I'm typing here. Mean of mean age. Or mean age of individuals who are 50 years and are male. Please, is it okay?
Yes, please, Prof.
Hey, what is okay? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So I want the mean or average age of individuals who are 50 years and are males. If that is the case, I would ask you female. How do we do that? I'll just copy and paste. Then I'll change the gender to what? Female, who are 50 years and are female. So let's see. Yes, your hand is up again.
Yes, Prof.
Yeah, Eugene.
Yes, sorry to take you back, but when you're writing the code for the SD Atara age square bracket, I realize you've changed the code. The code has changed. Now we have a square bracket.
Thank you very much. So here, the right code is this particular one. 85. That's
okay.
Right?
Okay. Yes.
The second code is taking the Atera age and saying equal to is less than 25. But what you need to do is to say, go to that data, look for the standard deviation of the age. And that age must be less than what? 50. That is the first one, which is a better command. Here, it is just saying the standard deviation of age less than 50. But here, I am very, very specific. So this is the best code. Or this is the better of the code to use.
Okay, Prof. All right. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yep. Any question? Any question, please? Need to send this in. Okay, so I've received the assignment. One, good. Any question? Yeah. Yes, Gloria.
Yes, Prof. The 87 Atara age equal to. I wanted to understand. The last time you said when we do equal to, the two sign equal to means that it's equivalent to.
Yes.
So I wanted to know if you are doing the same thing.
I am saying that go to the data set. I want age of the individual. I want the mean age of individuals, but the individual must be equivalent to what? 50.
Yes.
And the individual must be equivalent.
Yes, Prof. I've understood now.
Is it okay now?
Yes, please. Yes.
Good. Then, so that's all that we did. And when we did, it says that it is 50 years. But let's do the same thing. This time around, I want the standard deviation. Let me just, instead of age, I want to do SD. So here I'm interested in the standard deviation. Let's do the standard deviation for the first one. What do we get? So, oh, I run the mean. Did I run the mean? Oh, sorry. If you run the standard deviation. Okay, so you see, I'm getting a 0 there. Let me try beam here. I want age. So let me make the age for it to be reasonable. Let's just make the age. Let me copy this. I'm going to write a different command here. I want age less than 20. Let's say age less than 50. This will also be less than 50. And it should be a male. Let me see. What do I get? 33. Yes. I mean, that makes a little bit of sense. Let me go to the standard deviation. And I get 0.6. Any question? So look at this. For the first case, I'm just using the same thing. This time I want age who are less than 50. Who are less than 50 years. And the standard deviation of people who are less than 50 years. Any question? Any question? Yes, Emmanuel.
Yes, Prof. Sorry, I don't know if my question makes sense, but I want to find out that instead of maybe using mean for Atera, maybe you know the formula for mean, so you'd rather maybe add maybe all of the ages, and maybe divided by the total number of ages over there. Is it possible you can do it that way too?
Oh, you can do that. But Gloria, why would you want to do all those ones? Because that is time consuming. And I will come back and will write those falls under the domain of what we call functions. I'll come back and will write functions. When I start writing functions, I'll use a lot of mathematical algorithm, just not so that you remember. So don't worry, we'll get there. And my only plea is you don't tell me that, say, this is becoming too mathematical. That's my only plea. So don't worry so much. We'll get
Yes,
there.
please.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any question? See, when students begin to keep questions, keep quiet, then it means that, well, where we are getting to, it is becoming libi laba laba. Okay, let me say this. What others, let's assume that I want the age of individuals who are greater than 50, who are males, and also they belong to, let's see, what department did we get? Yes, and you see the way I'm complicating life. Oh, where is the department? I thought I saw department something. Then they belong to, and are full-timers. Yes, full-timers. Or is there a department I can see? And where? Okay, department. And belongs to HR. Yes. Individuals who are, so ladies and gentlemen, let's be complicate life. Because when we were young, we live a simple life. Now, everything is complicated. I want the mean of age. This time, I want people who are greater than 50 years. They are male, and also these individuals must belong to Athera. I need them to belong to a certain department, and that department should be, and let me enter it, and Athera, they must belong to a department, and that department, where's my equal to? Must be equal to, oh, must be equal to, where are we? Must be equal to HR, right? Did I get it right? I want you to give me the average age of the individual, but I want those who are greater than 50, those who are male and belong to HR department. Voila. Bukari, are you there? You were asking those plenty questions the last time. So now I am complicating life as and when we move on. So I want individual average age of individual greater than 50 years, are male and belongs to, let's start, and belongs to HR department. Yes, any question? See, when you keep quiet, then I know that, now. Any question, please? Bukari, are you there? Josephine, you are not talking. Who is Benita? Is it the Benita I know? The Benita, is it the Benita I know?
I'm following.
Benita, are you sure you are following?
I'm following you. When it comes to computer,
yeah, hello, doc. Please, I'm here.
I'm following. But this week, I will see you, so no problem.
Razak, Isa, are you there? Sandra Pote, are you there?
I'm here.
Please, I'm here. I'm following you.
Okay, if you are following, no worries. Because I am going to ask you to do the same with the Makuma data and then send it to me before you sleep this evening.
Hey, Asamamba.
So you will send it to me before. I don't want you to surprise me in the near future. So surprise me now. Yes. Which other thing do you want to know? Bukari, which other thing do you want to know?
Rough, we're here. Prof.
Frida, what other thing do you want to know? Simon Opoku, Gembi, what other thing do you want to know from the data?
I'm okay, I'm following.
As for okay, you are okay, but what other thing do you want to know? Yes, what other thing do you want to know?
Hello, Prof.
Yes.
Please, can you please go over the parts that you try to complicate our lives? Because it looks very complicated.
Which part is complicating your life? Your life is so simple, straightforward. I am saying that the complication starts from where I began to look at the mean.
Yeah, that part.
Complex. First, what do you want? The data is saying calculate the mean age, but I want you to calculate the mean age of only individuals who are less than 50. And you remember this sign, and the individual must be a male. Are you following me? The second one is saying calculate the standard deviation of that individual. The third one can even be, ladies and gentlemen, calculate the variance of such individual bar. So you must take your time and understand the English language. Remember, I said that anything we are doing here or we are undertaking is what? English language, which we are trying to put in a coding format. What am I looking for? Mean of what? Age. Age of which people? Those less than 50 years. What category of people are we looking at? We are looking for males. Then the same thing we did for age of individuals, but this time they must be male and then they must be in the HR department. So any question? Have I answered your question?
Yes, Prof, I'm following.
That's for following you, wow, but answering the question is different thing.
That's so.
Okay, let me make your life very easy by going back to simple description. You see, you are making me feel some way. Let me go back to simple descriptive. I'm going to go back and I'm going to say describe. Right, describe. Let me just use describe. Atera. Let's see how it goes. Hey, what's happened to my describe? Okay. Did I get something wrong? I think let me just use age and let's see. Let me describe the age. Will not find the function described. Okay, let me see. Structure. Okay. Okay, I get it. Why I am not getting it? Because of this. I have to put it in a function. Get it. I have to put it in a function. What else again? Hello, what else can we do? I want I want you to tell me everything I need to know after this, because from next week I start making it We start looking at each and every one of them.
Oh,
Yes, please.
yes. Please, can we calculate the mean and standard deviation of each by gender or department in one command?
Age by gender and department. Oh, but that's what we did. The last command.
As in the
Age, gender, department. What else again? Yes. What else again?
Hello, Prof. Hello, Prof.
Yes, please.
Please, can we do frequency counts?
Just hold on for me. Yes, your question, please.
Yes, so I was wondering if you can do frequency counts, maybe for the gender. Maybe you want to know the number of males, total number of males and females.
If you want to do
Frequency counts, like for gender, maybe total number of males and then females in the data. Can it also be done?
oh, that one is it's just a simple one. Oh, my good friend.
Yes.
That one
Yes,
there
yes.
you can just tap.
Uh-huh.
My good friend, don't ask that question again.
No, I
That
just
one.
wanted to know. Just wanted to know the code
Oh,
for
we
that.
didn't do it.
Yes.
Male, where is the gender? Where is the gender? Oh, my good friend. Okay. Here you are. How many females? How many males do you have? Oh, I thought
Okay.
we did it. Okay, frequency.
No, we didn't do that one.
Oh, we didn't do that one. Frequency count. Thank you very much. Percentage count. Yes. Prop dot table. Yes. Then I copy all this thing. Then I say percentage count. Okay. Beautiful. Any question? Anything again? So here you can create a data set and say, I want only people from accounting department. I want people from only HR. I want people who are less than 50 years are male and HR. You can create a whole data set. You can use it so that you can be manipulating the data. Remember, we have not even touched the original data set. Razak, you are saying we have to visit face to face. Okay, over to you, Jolate. So we should keep sharing the recordings. Yes, the recordings are being shared, of course. Yes. So what else can we do? So is it Eugene who asked the question? Sorry, I thought we had already done this.
Yes,
simple.
sir. Yes, sir, please.
What else again? Please give me something to do. Because all the descriptive statistics that I know, I have learned them. Who else can give me something? Okay. Let's assume that I want to create a data set. What about, look at this. Who can tell me what this is? Table, Athera. I want to look at location. against Atera department. Let me run. It's plenty. Location. Okay, let me locate. It will be too bulky. So let me change from location to something else so that it makes it simpler. Educational level and this. What can you see? This is what we call.
So from the data, I think we are trying to group educational levels per department.
Eugene, you like figures, eh?
Yes.
Yes, that's a outcome. Because you see the way your colleagues have kept quiet. It means that there's problem there.
Oh, they are following. I know they are following very well.
Yes, they are, but there's problem. Oh, there's something wrong somewhere. Oh. To give me an error first. Yes, I know. Because I didn't run the command properly. Yes. Look at this. How many bachelors can be found in procurement department?
Um, 1,847, sir.
See, it's only Eugene who is talking. The rest, what has happened?
Prof, there's problem.
Eugene, I told you there is problem. He said they are following.
Already know that there is problem.
So I shouldn't move further again. Because I wanted to complicate life one more time.
We beg you.
Me too, I beg you. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, I am going to, so this is all about descriptive. I am going to complicate life a little. One more, and then I'll close. One more thing, and then I would ask Dr. Gerson to let me close, because where it is getting to, if I continue, maybe I want to find the mean of, should I find the mean? You see, it's only Eugene who is giving me ideas. The rest of you are not. Betty, you are not giving me any idea. I
Doc,
want,
this
yeah,
point, I'm a little bit frustrated because where I'd saved what I had needed to send to you, I just went to open it and I'm realizing that it's a different document that has come to you. I'm trying to
So this
find.
is what I normally would do. I am going to give you, I'm going to give you my commands. I'll send you my commands and then you can easily use it. Location should be better. You see how I'm complicating? I can type and plenty. So what did I do? I'm looking for the mean age of people who are greater than 50 years, but the person must be a male, the person must be in the HR department, and the person must be located in Keta. And he's telling me that the mean age of that individual, those individuals are 56 years. So this, you can use it to do so many things. I am going to give you an assignment which must be submitted today. All that we have done today, use the Makuma data to generate a similar thing. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to end the class. Today, it seems I am sending you the codes. Check the charts. You see all the codes I've used since the beginning of the class. Copy it and put it on in your system. It should run once you have loaded the data and you've done it right. please listen. The only place you shouldn't do not, this one, take this one out. Maintain everything, but do not use this. That's what I type. This one, use what you have on your old machine. Apart from that, everything else will run. Ladies and gentlemen, any question? If there are no questions, it's a Sunday, and today I wanted us to do descriptive, so we are done with it. Next week, we start with serious work. Yes, Gloria, your hand is up.
Please, I've still not received the hashtag.
I sent it to you. Hi. Even what I have copied, the hashtags are there. So just highlight it, copy and paste, copy and paste.
Yes.
Okay. I have even sent you all my commands as well. Please, can you all see my commands?
Yes, please. So I can see it.
Yes, sir.
Yep, so I am done.
Hello. Yes, Emanuela. Okay. Emanuela.
Yes, Doc. I wanted to find out from Prof if he can pardon some of us, especially those of us having challenges with the our studios in submitting their assignments this evening.
Oh, you have to from now till 11:59 to submit. So it's not immediately after the class. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So try your best.
But Emmanuel, explain to them why you are saying that. They will
Because I'm
understand.
even unable to install the app itself on my laptop, so I can't even do the assignments.
Then my humble suggestion to you is to try and get someone's machine and then you run it and you share it with us. Emphasis is on doing it yourself because some of the things that we are doing now is not for the fun of it. The next time we meet face to face, we are going to have a practical session and all those things will come to bear. So please, as much as possible, try your hands on it. Whenever you commit some errors, then you note it down in view of polishing it. All right, thank you. Any other concern?
Yes.
Any other?
Yes, with the command. Yes, with the command %, can we just highlight all of them and paste
yes,
it
once
there?
you highlight everything and you run it over.
Yes,
Apart from the portion that he indicated, do not use this. Hello.
Yes, Doc. Yes, Doc.
Have you seen there was a portion that he indicated, do not use this? That
Yes,
portion has to be excluded from it. Other than that, everything should work.
Yes. Yes.
One last announcement before we call it a day. How many of you have been to the LMS since yesterday? How many of you? Has anyone visited? Yeah, Gloria, what did you find over there?
You posted the quiz for Wednesday.
So we've scheduled a quiz for Wednesday.